students. Today the topic of the class is number system. Subject is digital electronics. In this class we will be understanding how to count numbers in different number system. The heading is counting in radix R. This R can be from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. For example, when we take binary, the binary base or radix, we can say it as radix or base. It's denoted by small r. For binary, the base is 2. What are the characters used in binary? Either 0 or 1. Okay. So here we are having a table to understand how to do counting for radix r. If the base is 2, what will be the characters used in the set? If the base is 2, the characters used in the set are 0, 1. If the base or radix is 3, the characters used in the set are 0, 1, 2. Radix is 4, the characters used in the set are 0, 1, 2, 3. Radix 5, characters are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Radix 6, characters used are 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For radix 7, the characters used are 0 to 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For radix 8, the characters used are 0 to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. For radix 9, the characters used are 0 to 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. For radix 10, the characters are used from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Likewise, we can have for 11, 12. If the radix is 16, the symbols used here are 0 to 10, 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0 to 9, and from 10 we use the symbols capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F for 15. Okay, so depending on the radix we are having the characters used in the set. So let us see an example. The given question is count from 0 to 19 in radix 5. Okay, na? So what is the question? Radix. What is other name of radix? Radix or base. Base given here is 5. So characters used are, characters in the set are 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So how do we write the numbers? 0, we will count the numbers as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And after 4 what we will do? Again repeat the same number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here with the series 1. Okay, like this. Now again repeat the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 with a series 2. Okay. So what is a decimal number? We can now say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So up to 14 we have written. Now we have to write 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19, 5 more numbers. So we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers we have to take? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is enough. Now the new series will be 3. 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. So this is how we write from 0 to 19. So I am writing with yellow pen the decimal numbers, and these are base 5. So decimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Till 19 we have to count. So the next number will be 3, 4. Okay. Again, if you are asked to find for 20, what will be the number? 40. Okay. So counting decimal, if you want to count the decimal numbers from 0 to 19, how do we count for radix 5? It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Next series is 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Then 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. So this is for radix 5. Okay, so in this way we count the numbers in radix 5. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section.